Hello, I'm Dr. Mary Ann Dewan, Santa Clara County Superintendent of Schools, inviting you to participate in College Day. College Day is a community-driven, county-wide event designed to motivate and encourage students to think about college. Celebrating its 10th year, College Day 2020 organizes activities, supplies, and targeted resources to promote college readiness for elementary, middle, and high school students. Over 160 schools across Santa Clara County participate in this extraordinary event. Why should students engage in College Day 2020? Building a college and career plan is important to helping students understand and fulfill academic goals. It also helps students aspire towards important life goals and achievements and gives them the opportunity to chart their path towards adulthood. College Day can inspire and empower students to plan for a successful future as they learn about all of the opportunities available to them. This year, College Day will be held online and will feature recorded and live sessions throughout the week. Various community partners and leaders will present and discuss topics based on their own life experiences that involve college and career planning, as well as financial management for college. It is my honor to share this opportunity with you and encourage you to learn more about how to attend by visiting the Silicon Valley Education Foundation website at svefoundation.org/College Day. Join me in participating and celebrating College Day 2020.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Denise Williams, and I am super excited to welcome you to the 10th Annual College Week. I am the Chief Program Officer at Silicon Valley Education Foundation, and our mission is to guide all students to pursue higher education and empowering students to graduate high school, to become college and career ready for the 21st century. This amazing College Week comes from this notion to support our student community. The theme this year is Superheroes Fight for Education. And my journey exemplifies my work as a superhero and how I fought to help all students. So just a little bit about myself and my superhero career path. I was born in Trenton, New Jersey, and I grew up there on the East Coast. I was an honor student all the way through high school, which enabled me to receive scholarships for college. And I always wanted to be a teacher ever since the 3rd grade. I went to Temple University in Philadelphia and Rider University for undergraduate school. I landed a teaching position after graduation. Now my adventure continues because I grew weary of the snow and ice in New Jersey, and I relocated to Walnut Creek, California. But there was no teaching job for me when I arrived here. Well, I did not give up because a superhero perseveres. Relocating 3,000 miles away from your family brings about many challenges, but heroes leave their comfort zone and embark upon new experiences. And in California, even with many setbacks, I did become a teacher, then a principal, and a district administrator. All along my career pathway, I have advocated for students who were furthest from access and opportunity. And I have been able to put programs and structures in place to ensure that students are prepared for being successful in grade school and as well as college or their chosen career. My career has changed lives and guided many individuals towards success. So being a part of making this event happen is very important to me. And it's due to the collaborative efforts of Silicon Valley Education Foundation, Santa Clara County Office of Education, Excite Credit Union, San Jose Public Library, Hispanic Foundation of Silicon Valley, San Jose State University, Management Leadership for Tomorrow, UC Berkeley Center for Educational Partnerships, and San Jose Council and many more. College Week is just a stepping stone to the information needed for all students to become successful. There is something for every listener. So tune in to this first day for some of these highlights. Cash for College workshops for high school seniors, Management Leadership for Tomorrow panel, Introduction to Career Tech Ed for K-12 and Community College, and a COVID-19 Essential Workers panel. Just know, students, you are superheroes and you are on your path to college and or to a great career. A superpower is your resiliency, and you are empowered with the belief that you will be successful. And finally, a quote from a superhero. A hero can be an ordinary individual who finds strength to persevere and endure in spite of overwhelming obstacles. Superman. Have a great college week.
Hey guys, it's great to be with you for College Day. Like I'm sure many of you, I had many members of my family who never had the opportunity to go to college. And I had a lot of conversations I can remember with my late grandfather. Grandpa went to 8th grade, and of course his family needed money, so he had to start working. And the one thing he believed so passionately in, more than anything in the world, was education. He was a voracious reader, and he'd read the newspapers every morning, and he'd tell me more about what was in the news than I ever heard from my college professors. But the one thing he told me about education was, Sam, 99% of the people in this world are working because they have to. They're working to support their families, just working in jobs they may not care at all about, jobs they may hate. But you have the opportunity, if you get an education, to do what you love, to do what you're passionate about, to do something that moves you. And because of my grandfather's inspiration, I'm doing that today. I'm very blessed to have the support of a family who believe passionately in education and have had the opportunities to get educated, as I did in college and beyond. I pray that each one of you has a path to college and beyond, that we can help you here at the City of San Jose to find that path. As we're working now, launching our San Jose Aspires program, as we did on the College Promise program, helping 1,600 of our students who are struggling financially be able to eliminate those financial barriers to college. All the things we're going to try to do to help support you, because you have a community that passionately wants to see you succeed and wants you to do what you are passionate about in the world. So I look forward to your great success in the years ahead, and I pray that that success and that path includes college. Thank you.